Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Okay, this is not my page and I'm not that good influencer, but I'm Tamara from Sellers Alley and welcome to the rulers of the TikTok galaxy. Today we will travel not to the planet, but a star of Spark Ads only mode. But before we shine bright like a diamond, you know what to do. Sing and subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to leave your comments and questions below after watching this video. And please don't ask about my singing and dancing, guys. So let's start. Spark Ads are the native ad display format of TikTok in feed and top view video. It is automatically delivered to both paid ads traffic and all organic traffic during campaign period by default. So to avoid delivering Spark Ads video to organic traffic, the posting account can turn on ads only mode in-app after posting. So you and creators using Spark Ads only mode can hide ads videos in organic traffic, such as on profile page, so that is actually in order to keep paid communication content hidden from regular organic postings. And one more good thing about ads only mode is that you can test out the best performing creatives for Spark Ads with split tests using two totally different videos with maybe different sounds or totally different from each other, like content or similar. And when it comes to the creators, they can use ads only mode to avoid displaying brand partnership to organic followers. But guys, if you're a brand, don't let them do it. But if you want to know more about Spark Ads, you can check the link in the description and of course click on subscribe or follow us on all social media channels as well. Until the next time, shine bright like a diamond. See ya!